my friend, my name is Miya. Welcome to Autom. We are the manufacturer with a professional R&D team. And today I'm going to introduce this one customized packing solution for you. Why is customized? Because this machine is customized for packing 80-gram chili paste. New upgraded spiral material funnel, more uniform without residue. This machine model number is ATM 320L. It can complete feeding, layering, filling, sealing, date printing, and counting. This machine is both domestic and foreign bestseller in the past 20 years. Economical, faster speed, no noise. The filling of machine is made of 304 stainless steel, which meets the hygienic standard of full QS and the medicine GMP. This machine is also suitable for packing granule sauce, such as chili sauce, beef sauce, etc. Okay, let's look at this machine. Look at this part. It is U-type agitation. The chili sauce in the funnel is more uniform missing while packing. Food-grade stainless steel tank, beautiful and practical to prevent corrosion, wear-resistant, exit-safe, and sanitary. We can also customize the stainless steel 316. Machine with barometer. The air pressure can be observed at any time, and the pressure can be adjusted when needed. We can use laminated film on this machine. Color mark accurate positioning system can make the backlands automatically, which saves time and saves cost. This is the automatic ribbon coding machine. It can print production date, expiry date, lot numbers, etc. It is working synchronized with the vertical packaging machine. It is step format. If you want to make different like this, we change format. Here is the vertical sealing device, the horizontal sealing device. Here is 7 inches intelligent operation panel. We can set packing speed, back length, and other parameters. The touchscreen can store the packaging process parameters of many different products. Also, it can be used at any time when changing products. Mechanical third display system can help troubleshooting and reduce manual operation. Here is independent temperature control system. The left one is for vertical sealing device. Another one for horizontal sealing device. Independent temperature control system keeps accurate temperature, ensures sealing beautiful and smooth. Here are the buttons of the packing machine. The emergency stop button and the main power button. Let's check the electrical box of the main packing machine. All component parts are well-known brand parts, which is durable and guaranteed. Let's check the machine how it works. have any customized packing solution, just find us at the website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye.